Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all enjoy these nice hot snacks and cutlets are my personal favorite. Today I'm going to share this wonderful soya cutlet recipe with you guys. I'm sure many of you love soya and you're going to definitely enjoy this. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the soya cutlets, I'm going to soak 1 cup of soya chunks in hot water. So I've taken the small variety, but you can also use the larger ones. Just pour enough hot water and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, if you can see the soya chunks have plumped up nicely, strain it and keep it aside. So you can also squeeze out all the excess water and keep it in another bowl. Cool the soya chunks completely, transfer it to a mixer jar. I'm just going to pulse it a few times to get a nice coarse mixture. So you don't want it ground to a very fine paste or anything like that. It's just a coarse mixture. You can see it's just shredded. So just pulse it a few times till you get this kind of consistency. Next I'm going to make the soya masala. For this, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To the pan I'm going to add about 5 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 large onion finely chopped. Once the onions are transparent, add 1 medium sized carrot chopped, a few beans chopped. Mix everything nicely. Saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes. Add the ground soya mixture. Mix it all in. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything. Cook this for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, add 2 large potatoes that have been boiled and cut up. Add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mash the potatoes a bit to get the right consistency for the cutlets. So you can use a potato masher or a heavy ladle to mash the potatoes. So you can see the masala is coming together very nicely. I'm finishing off the masala with some chopped coriander leaves. Just give it a quick mix. Turn off the stove. Cool the mixture completely. So I'm just going to mix it once with my hand and then I will start making the patties for the cutlets. So this way the mixture will be well combined. So now the mixture is perfect. So next I'm going to make the patties for the cutlets. Just take a little bit of the mixture. So you can shape it to desired shape and size. So I'm doing the standard circular shape. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Keep the flame on medium-low throughout. Now we're going to start frying the cutlets. Dip the prepared cutlet into the corn flour slurry. Roll it onto the breadcrumbs. Once the oil is hot, gently drop it into the hot oil. Deep fry the cutlets till they're a nice golden brown color. Remove them from the oil and serve it nice and hot.